What if your next pair of glasses didn't just help you see the world, but translated it, guided you through it, and placed AI right in front of your eyes? Today, Lenovo steps into the ring with a bold new challenger, the Visual AI Glasses V1, aimed squarely at the reigning featherweight champion, Rokid. And here's the twist. Lenovo might have just rewritten the rules of ultralight AR wearables. This is the battle of the next generation smart glasses, Lenovo Visual AI Glasses V1 versus Rokid's flagship wearable. Let's start with what everyone notices first: weight. Rokid proudly markets its glasses as the world's lightest full-function AR glasses, weighing just 48 grams. But Lenovo quietly slipped past that benchmark. The new Visual AI Glasses V1 land at only 38 grams, light enough to almost vanish on your face. Beyond their featherlight build, the V1 glasses feature 1.8mm thick lenses and a micro-LED display. Lenovo says this is the first to use resin diffraction waveguide technology, pushing optical engineering into new territory. Now here's where the comparison gets interesting. Rokid equips its glasses with dual displays at 1500 nits of brightness. Lenovo counters with a single display, but it blasts up to 2000 nits, giving it the brightness advantage. And if you can't decide between monocular or binocular use, Lenovo lets you switch seamlessly between the two. To stabilize what you see on the go, Lenovo includes eye tracking with a 15 by 11mm tracking window, designed to keep visuals anchored even while your head moves. Where these glasses really show their ambition is in their AI features. The V1 comes loaded with live translation, including a conversation mode that lets two people talk across language barriers in real time. There's also a teleprompter mode, great for presenters, and AI-powered navigation to guide you through unfamiliar places. Powering all of this is Lenovo's proprietary AI engine built directly into the glasses. Controls are intuitive, touch gestures on the temples, plus stereo speakers discreetly integrated into the frame. Connectivity arrives via Bluetooth 5.4, ensuring low latency and stable performance. Battery life is an area where the two rivals take different paths. Lenovo fits a 167 mAh battery, promising 8 to 10 hours in translation mode, solid for such a lightweight device. A full recharge takes only 40 minutes. Rokid, by comparison, carries a larger 210 mAh battery and also includes a 12-megapixel camera, something Lenovo leaves out in favor of keeping things minimal and ultralight. The Lenovo Visual AI Glasses V1 are now available for pre-order in China at CNY 3,999, roughly $562 or 484 euros. That puts them just below Rokid's 599 price point, but with clear differences: less battery, no camera, yet lighter and brighter. As for a global release, Lenovo hasn't said a word yet. So, lighter, brighter, and backed by Lenovo's AI. Are the Visual AI Glasses V1 the future of everyday augmented reality? Or does Rokid still hold the crown? Let us know what you think in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more deep dives into the tech shaping tomorrow.